Hello and welcome. So we are going to see the basics of the React application and how can we create the React application. But before that, let me just tell you that we are supposing that you have installed the Node.js, and because the Node.js is required to play and to work with the React. So you can install the Node.js from the official website just to avoid any issue and any security concerns also. So npx and create React app. This is how we create the React application. For your knowledge, let me just tell you that create React app was not the part of the npx later in the later versions, but in the earlier versions, sorry. But in the later versions, like after 14, 15, or 16, the create React app was included. So when you install the a node and all that, it is already included. You don't have to separately install the create react app. So this is how you can create the react app through create react app. So npx create react app and the name of your react application, and you can give like this my react app. And before running the command, let me tell you that we usually work in the React application because React helps you to create the single page web application, and that's why we call the React application as single page application or web application. And web application and websites are two different things. So in the websites, all the HTML and pages are loaded once you load the website. But in the web applications are single page applications, so only that single page is loaded when you load it. That's why it's faster, and the React applications are faster usually. And we will see in the later videos also, and we will play somehow in this video also. So let's create the React application through npx create react app and my react app. And if your internet is connection is stable, it will take some time to create the React application, because React application is very high heavy, because Node modules are heavy. In case of Node.js application or Node.js server, you just need package.json and all the required packages. But React applications, node modules, and the packages are very heavy. So that's why it takes time. So you don't have to be worried about that it is taking too much time or all that. You just need a stable internet connection. Okay. So let's wait to complete it. So it has almost created the basic structure of the React application for us. So let me explain you meanwhile it is installing some dependencies and the templates. So basically this is a React application, and you can see the name of the React app is same as we defined over here, and px create React app. And basically these are the node modules having all the packages and all that, have the path. And okay, so this is the public folder where you can store all the files and the all the icons and the images which are publicly you want to see. And basically in the source folder we have our main code over here. So this is the git ignore file. It's related to the git, if you have installed or not. If you don't know about the git, you can learn, or you can just ignore for this. Just ignore. So package log.json file is basically the log on the packages, and it requires a log. And you can see all the packages in the, and you can see there are too many packages. That's why the React application takes time while building and while creating. Okay, and this is the package.json. It has all the information, the name of the application, the version we are using, and we have you can see the React DOM, and React scripts, the versions over here, and we are using the 18 version, 18 major, and the minor version is 3, and the micro version is 1. Okay, and we can see over here that when we run the command to start the React application, how will it be started? So start will be like React script start. So it is the JSON file, and it is the like JSON, the way to write in the JSON format. So the development and the production and all the ASN configuration. And you can see over here, if we want to build the React application, once we have completed development, we can do React build or npm build and the test and all that. So let's move to the main code part. So in the src folder or the source folder, we have the main the application code over here. So this is our css file which is applied to the you know the tags and the all the classes we defined in the code. And this is the basically the JS file in which we define the components. So this is the main benefit and one of the finest benefits of the React application, that we can define the we can create the components in the React application. So what component means is basically we can define, you can assume that we create the component, we can create the function uh, like in the functional programming, and we can reuse it again and again where we need it, and we can pass the parameters as well. So and this is also the css file, and this is the index file where the all the rendering of the components is started, right? So let me explain you and the flow of the application, because we don't have to cram the code. The code will be, you can find it on the web or anywhere, but once you know the flow and the logic, how it is being built and how it is being working and how the components are being connected, you can learn in a better and the efficient way. And once you are like you encounter some problem, you can assume and you can think of the solution as well. So basically we are React application, why the React is famous, because it uses the virtual DOM, and virtual DOM is stored in the memory. And once a change is there, so it doesn't change directly in the browser, it changes in the virtual DOM and then compare it with the actual DOM. And if there is some change, then find the efficient way to change in the actual DOM and then change with the algorithm. So basically, it creates a tree which contains the nodes as the like nodes of the HTML tags, and we that is basically the DOM. So we are basically accessing the DOM, React DOM, and we are here importing the application, sorry, packages. And React DOM, we are accessing the, we are creating the DOM root. So basically, when we get the element by its ID, and the ID will be root, then the root element will, we will set the root element as this, and then all the tags will be the childs of this root tag, root node, right? So we are creating the root. So in the in the root, this is the root, this is the constant we have defined over here. So we are now rendering in the strict mode. The application is being rendered in the strict mode in the root, and the application, this is the component basically. So we are, where is this? So we are importing from the dot slash app path the app component, and let me go to this to explain you. So this is our app component, and we are using over here, and we can use in other files as well. So this is the app component, and you can see this is the simple HTML where P is the paragraph, this is the image, and this is the header and the class name and all that. Okay, so this is the main structure, and we will see and build a basic counter application in the next video. Thank you very much.